Guys, this is really nice. This is really nice. Hi guys, hi people, hi everybody. I'm so happy to see you guys again. Guess what? I've been missing you guys a lot. Like, have been thinking about you guys. I know some of you will be like, oh, she have Mia again, because that's what I normally do. I come and I go. I come and I go. But this time around, guys, so your girl is officially married. So this is the reason why I have been away, and I had to take our time to do some things. And I'm going to be showing you guys everything that happened before my marriage. I'm going to be showing you guys in another video. But this video is for something else. This video, the reason why I am here today is because I have this package from a skincare brand in Korea. They gifted me this package, and this box is actually containing some skincare products, some wonderful skincare products, and I just want to make this video to do like a unboxing video to show you guys what's inside. So I'm super excited. I'm excited, and I know you guys are excited, and you guys can't wait to see what's inside, because I'm also excited, and I cannot wait to see what's inside. So let's just get right and unbox this package together. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so where am I going to start from now? Okay, I'm going to start from here. Just going to I'm just excited. Like, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. You see the reason why I am going to keep, like, YouTube, there's a lot you are going to achieve when you start creating content on YouTube and other platforms like TikTok, like Instagram. You're going to be getting things like this, and also sometimes you'll be getting other promotion that can even earn you a lot of money in dollars. So don't sleep on content creation. If you're not creating content, you should start creating content now. It doesn't have to be skincare video. You can do something else. Okay, you can make vlogs, you can do lots of things that can draw the attention of brands to reach out to you and gift you like product from Korean. That this is not my first package. I've also received product from Korean, from one of the #1 skincare in Korea. I've received like some product from them, and I have another package from another brand in Korea. So you guys can see that God is amazing and God is good. So I'm excited. See, I just opened it now. So this is how it looks. So this is how the box looks. So let's see what's inside. I'm excited. Okay. So I'm going to bring it out. Okay. So let's unbox it together. Okay. Now these people, they are really good with their packaging. They make sure that they package this very well so that nothing is going to get broken. Everything is going to be intact. Everything. Oh my goodness. What we have here? We have I think this is like a brush that you use to like apply clay, or like a clay mask brush used to apply clay around your face. So let's see what's inside. So this is just the two products they brought. Guys, the packaging is top notch. Can you see? So this is from Medicube brand. Medicube, right? Their Korean brand. Guys, guess what? I have this here, and I have this, and I also have this. So let's start with this. This is their collagen 9th wrapping max. Is it what's it called? Collagen 9th wrapping max. Okay, this product contains collagen extracts, fills the skin with moisture. It contains niacinamide, guys. Contain niacinamide. And you guys know I love using products that contain niacinamide. Like, I love niacinamide so much, and this product contains niacinamide. Oh my god. And it also contains ceramide. Okay, it's going to help smooth and firm the skin overnight. So this product is basically to be used only at night. Yeah, so night care, they said night care. I don't know if you guys can see, they said night care. So this is supposed to be used only at night. So let's just open it. I love the packaging already. It's giving what it's supposed to give. And yeah, it's like a jelly mask. Yeah, it's like a jelly mask. So that's for this. It contains niacinamide, ceramide, and other amazing ingredients. So I just can't wait to start using this product and come back here and give you guys my honest reviews about this product. Okay, second one is this, and this is the collagen jelly cream. It contains collagen. Yeah, so I'm super excited, guys. Like you guys don't understand. I get to use all these amazing quality products for free. Like, I don't have to spend money on skincare. Brands reach out to me to work with them, and they also gift me products like this, and it's super amazing. And I'm so thankful to God for all this amazing gift that I'm receiving. Yeah, guys, see, this packaging is these people, they are really top notch with their packaging. Like, for real. See what I have here, like a scoop. Okay, so this is like this is a jelly cream. So if I'm going to apply this on my face, oh my goodness, guys, can you see guys? Oh god, the scent is so lovely, guys. This really smells so nice. So if I'm going to take this, it's like a jelly cream. So I'm going to take this, I'm just going to use this to scoop out, and I'm going to just apply it on my skin. But this is a jelly face mask, guys. This is really nice. I just can't wait to start using all these products and come back here and give you guys my review. Like, this is so nice. Like, the packaging is top notch, and the products, so far so good. They have a lot of amazing ingredients that I am so much in love with. And you know, like, check out the packaging now. So this is giving, this is really giving. So yeah, I just want to show you guys this product that I received, and thank you to this amazing skincare brand for sending me this package. I'm so thankful to you guys. I really appreciate my gifts. The gifts, they are so nice, and I'm just super excited. So that will be all for today. I hope you guys enjoy my unboxing video, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.